Hello. Me on a job my way, una watch a boy of you hear me. To if you family la porte. I call if you were in I. Hello, job in on a guan. Oclane, no guan. Give me na, give me. Me beg who wena. I mean, hina.
Ubege me beg who went.
Then I will be dale. Wala ijo more do inia. Why ya fe ni re program ina no bi aro be derio. No bi aro be derio. Why ya la go na ja boy. Oh baby. Hello, Jomo, where go? What? Oh, you're Hana. Daniel. Jomo, me Daniel, no go. Jomo. Iyore, daddy, your job, my baby, oh, you're Hana, call if you. My baby, when we are your book, walking away.
You went to get the gui. When the spirit made us, you know,
Igui.
When you get we up my back, every even time no get every.
Well, I know it's a pa. And we call it pa. What? A pa phone where? And me I finish in a banana me at here. Oh, mo, yeah, oh, one with pa.
Imaro be pa. Imame pa, go even a go. Doris, bring my big phone. Or stop her for there.
Yo.
A phone may not buy, no. Imame pa, ima go even a go. Imaro be pa. Omani robie on your way. Keke, enogi. Enogi, o day 12 o'clock is at here. Again, my spirit was so very high, and I need to go down without not receiving any more calls. Or say now with periods in now, you might receive anybody call, even the full measure. I need to come out from the spirit world first. You understand? So he got over here where he went to la when the spirit made that your age, no.
Am I there wearing it? Saloba, we need no sooner that when I wear it, sooner that way, we need Jesus.
A miracle, Masunu Dame, a spirit was the law. Or see, who is the call? It there. And it there, call. Or that comment. Pick up.
Okay, evil spirit in here. Evil spirit in here. Only one spirit in a walla will go no Robia, ya can ever bunu Robia pa. What check the wall where the video is there? Robia pa. Megamenuta. That was spirit in no one he. Nana me where the spirit he was like, be on was one Robia Moyaka. Lan wa egui wa hanging away. Ario bog o Johanna, uti o mama fia. Ario bog bera lao. Bad spirit no na. Yo kana u call him, beg we fear. Bad spirit no. So although him ya na o isi ahon ibe kan me go. Wan even me di video no we are fisad. No we are ta we me again na we de more do him ya na nu waja boy. Wa gui wala wo waja boy. Won ibe me ba me ya ni mi e no ka vie wa gui. Wala nu wa forgive e. Me be de ba be do him wa. Won nu wala o. O ma dem mi no ka wi ba wata wi emi ni ga wo gota. O ma mi o ko wa emi nu ko ka na wa do so sha ni no ya me ma emi nu ka o. Nu wala wo wala wa gui wa ya fe. Ido de ba e do him wa. Won hello jamo so ori me problem when you vie me ba me when ya gui won ko sin ya gele wa fi sad. Ofanu gwe mai mi me gwe mi yan. We ka mi vie me ba when ya gui. Uta well awe ma when ya gui.
If we guy
Ido e were bo jomo ya ewe kami ya when ya gui.
Okay, we live video.
Me live video.
Ibe. Ni plug it for me. If you member, if you Saltandwater ministry, Obomena salty. Only Obomena na sea salt email woman was wala ho. Wage given ija guju wagwan. Wajabome.
Ama ofo wese. Osaloba wese. Won ko.
Osaloba wese. Tama emina nanu tama baba na we emi no sunu da lederio. Eri like we spirit word. Eri oji ogbeso. O ma na me ebo no kwa na gelele lo ma di agbon. Eri oji ogbeso.
Jomo umebo, claim ebo. Won claim ebo.
A problem.
Hello.
Umanare live video setting calling
Oma yon.
Uga dey free.
Oma yati we.
Live video.
Yati we. Oma. Okay. Bye bye yo.
Bye bye.
Uwa ya ma o. Wa no re line na. So why forgive her won? Musaloba wese. Because even agmote o eji. Eri o do deji. Why ya forgive her wala wo. When me forgive yen. Wa mi miss call no rie me. Na takere. Be no ke call me si maro we got appointment. So why ya ma? Osawese we dagmo ma ya fefefe. Eni ka wese. She talk well today. Hey, wa forgive her one. Wa gaja boy. Saluba wese we iri obese. Nika wese. Ila fina ya weke na mwerie. Oma neru we no we no mawagmo. For me we na me mo bori gena ye na mu agbon nya ho. Wa we mi no ri ogogo nu e. We ko la wa. Wa ya wese wa na forgive her wa ama. Si ave on we kan me go won. E ma ni ke no we do ba e wa la o. Wa no we do mi o. Mi akole pa we pa epike ko. Ya akole pa na imi pa. Won jo mo do watch me. Na imi pa. We sorte pa, we sorto rien. E di video ro me mi o. We o rien la lo kan we. E ruwe ta ma me o. Ruwe ta ma me o. Wagwige imebe giesi keni gwajo wo wiwa yakpa wa nire. O wiwa yakpa ye keni jore. Ijo salo bogie o. No Ijo God. It is well. It is well. No sakai o de. No sakai be dagbe ma okin ase. No piakai. No bokai. No hekai. Ni Jesu Christi no do mi ma fa kai. Okin ase be dagbe ma. O saloboa onyati. Umerati no ya kanso emi no malaki begbe we. Kemi no mariri laki be dagmo. Umerati no ya kanso e. Anything no gbe we go. Umerati no ya kanso e. Anything no gija we feel sad. Umerati no ya kanso e. Any ose no bere we efon e ma bo we. Umerati no ya kanso e. Women ni kaina. Wale le boyfriend di tanki una e we boyfriend di ni ma. Umerati no ya kanso e. Where we are with prayer. While we are local, can not go ni we ma. We may write no ya cancel a brother. Ezo a prayer no. While we go where we turn us down. Ezo ave son arebo wa uwe moyeru. Eriak mo ya live begena. While we go me ya ibeji o wa we like prayer. While we declare prayer na egbewe. Ekwe ne sudo total yo wa we. Omaro by me right to be life we. Dagmo we robe managmo robi Jesu no do hujo korima vi matiagmo na mama vie bore mama mo sisire mama mo kore emi no ma osalo baji maji egbera me ogogo efe omo odo oku osalo ba vie leli ma diagmo osalo mama mu dobo leli ma o mama kwezo leli mama mo kwemi ameleli mama mo kwasi det leli ma kemi no giji vie ya jukpo ne ku Jesu Christ mamu leli ma o wize se phone o we wa ahia Iyore dogujo kogwa. You know. Akma we Jesus Christ marry. Image geleke magme ma evedene na. Date Jesus Christ manari. Image magbe ma. Maya suffer. Odane Jesus je vanu kpaje. Evanu gogo je vani miefanje. Evani alawo da oje. We mama on sa we a oge bogele epom ebo ep. Ebo pagele gbe un tani no ga ti orin ba yen bo akagbe because yo ga aje ma won me yo ga aje ma webo yo ga mu won dada Omo ko wara haraveri. Agba no kekene bokagbe. Ebo magbe, ebo ma ibanu wana ewe. I don't believe of ebo. Omo no ka like ebo ba me ero. There is a time you to time na we je. Iki gebo yani gebo no be lago da we be ro. Ebo yani wa gebo bebo ni kere. O sala ba me ni vie yare ba yebe. E vinya yare ba yebe denena. Nori ivie no la dosa no ro ni emono mai. Ni ma la dosa ni me religion ya ku ebo. They are all in bondage. A prayer wa winner. The ame women we are baptized we wo wawe. Kamo saloba we wu no ro we gbena no balo we gbena wu kie mu kwa. Oga penu ke gwalu mama gbon mami kamo saloba we e wu se na e wu na ya gwale bi na so ma bo. Idoja me wu me na ya pe ya kwa. Ame wu me oru weze. E o fi gbon wu we. E re wu me. Ayo wu me. E isan wu me. O isaba me. Ame wu me. Aya kwa wu weze. Emi daru weze. Oiwo, ami ewuweze. Ami eyin ewuweze. Ami arubara ewuweze. Ami osisi ewuweze. Emi no ma oru weze. Toba weneru nu ya hwe. Igo na amu Jesu. Ose we yari ibai. Omo temok ba igo no ya kwakwe bo we to sinye ya bowa. A later why do ya rule like church. It's too late. But am I late? No, that we're gonna Iyore or we any man. Osaloba we mi yana when my topi malo de. But I want any a time me my yoto. Osaloba no when we are diagmona. Daba no when we are diagmona. So no when we are diagmona oka kenuga. Tota ave kenu jeva we. Daba no gele gime ni mi a diagmona. Ariye mega diagmona. Anya riona ni lo. So domani oka kenula. Lo domani. E lo do o do we. No make na mo fu megbe. No make na gogo. No make na eve keni wa we na e. Ne vi ya make na su hia e de nu e. E lo de we. Lo de ra. Because era keri o adiagbon na we se we phone. O what problem we ya we emu ya solve ne. O wa logo ma no ro we gbo we ya hin ne mose mose. O we emu we gbera na we nu we ma fie ma. O we so papa ni mari o ni e bebe ni eta. Le lodosa. Veni merite lake bo se me hate mu go me ya webo. Iwa gege wa we webo ozo yame. Bet se mi ro pa riva. Iwa mie na mie. Mi ro pa riva. Kwa gyo mo ro pa disivu wa. Venu ri aji e bege na o saloba ga reje life we nu. Agbon ya manage. Iya no sabe una ge uni ya o ga be wo we nu e. O ga gele mo ti yan sa. Odo sa na mi pa odo sa na mi gogo. Odo sa na mi alago tawo. Ni ala jan we program na me bego we me ba mo pa don ye ni ti jobo no real live video ma be. Esunu. O we ni me be je we ni ti jobo ni ya imi ma be esunu. But there are many people ne go sa iya ni ti jobo live video ma be o wu jobo ni ya. Allah go da we ri wa better lag yeke. Oga o sa lo bonya gaban, o sa lo ba ivie magbon ovi oke. Ovie monitor ma ovi oke. Ovie monitor ma vie ovi oke. Bete su we ri yo. Oru okparo no ma ewo dosa o paje. O dosa o paje. Yeah, I gave so let me forget about those things. Oh, those are age. I will continue to say it. It's a webo. I have you one joma. Oh, one goma. A joma. Oh, Masuga pot me. I can't die. Upon all the juju one goma. It's a lie. Those things not lie. It's a lie. Why get up by this civil war? You can work for God. Don't work for juju. Anybody can work for God. Anybody can preach the word of God. Anybody can pray to each other. You can pray. You can pray for me. You can preach for me. It's not compulsory you must be a pastor before you preach. It's not compulsory you must be a pastor before you pray for your labor. You have right to pray for me. You have right to preach the word of God to me. There a message, a message, you read me. A spirit when man connect with that person, this message of that person go nowhere in your brain. Then he may preach now. A spirit when man connect with my spirit, my preaching will not enter your brain. Thousands of people all over the world do what man and when. Ever yani preach or him with spirit way. There are so many people that don't like my preaching. But many people, they cry, Iyore, and then what? Because why? Your spirit connects with my spirit. That is the reason why my message or ring give everywhere. When it buya with me, I have an imagine message me with me. Those are the people the spirit me walking out ba. Or when it can ya go say akwe, then can never take my message. The same thing with a teacher. A teacher sort no man. Oh man, my wife badge school only here baby na here. But me man, do you know why? Because a spirit me walking my okba. Umana la koma, uwe la kemi no u. Umana la koma, uwe la kemi no taladia unu. For those where a message is your government, umana kime, aka my own message enter your brain. Umana la kime message la werere. My message belongs to those who love me, even if they are not talking to me. Even if they don't come to my home, even if I've never seen them before. Because when you love somebody, you will love everything about that person. But not really am with Beo, who you will like only my canwe. But do man like come, can you no man you no jawero, Oga Jukmo who were Jona, Oga Tolongo who were Terry Magba, Oga Wavy who were being nowhere. Oga will not go my only beggar, eh? I don't like her. Yes, it's normal. So if you know, say you they follow me, nothing you don't achieve. I want to tell you today, say your spirit and my spirit are not connected. We not they connect. So there is no amount of a prayer no I pray. No one like him. Eh? Don't even manage me. You don't need to manage me. Oh. Wala come and wala ke. Those not give a testimony. Well, mommy, your message changed me. Those are the people that love me. They love me because we got love them. All go. I can't give we have here. We got love them. When I'm here, about that 2 days, who feel sad. We got love them. When I'm with Yara, you will see pity that person. We got love them. Go that working. We got love them. I tell them. Who got love of my message will change those who love me. Not be people who don't love me. Also with you. If I love you, your message will change me. If I don't love you, anything when they talk all son of me, even only damn you. So if any of your person they tell you say she or him not love Iyore, it's normal. We don't have the same spirit. It's not going to work. Until that spirit come into our body or his body before you cannot say, he like me what do like you see he what do like he might take a like before. They don't like him and they all do like a preaching. At anything or remember a preacher just because I love him or a heart in it. But if you don't like me, my word will never change you. Oh, honey, double we saying wherever we go. Oh, honey, double salmon when we moon. Ya neru we tikos. Ya we no ma ma gear. You will always commonize everything about me because you don't love me. So anybody normal love you, the same thing with you. There is no amount of money no ariene no ya wuya. There is no amount of help no help money no na wuya. Eva no jesere eva ne spirit or deconnect. Oma no we say na spirit or na deconnect with your omani ogbo yese. Ugarigo no ma borrow yo mani wo gwe mana okpa ogbo yese. Ugarioma yowa yo mani wo gwe mana okpa ogbo yese. Kemi no really uno man wabo eme yokpa no wabe spirit wa makone almost to cause a problem. That is the reason why some people will say when you know so you say because you people was not the same. A pretend there is no real love. It's true. Pretend no. Because there are many relationships they pretend. They don't love themselves. Even some marriage, a lot of marriage, they don't love themselves. But they pretend to be together. They don't have the same spirit. When you have the same spirit with that person, you will not quarrel in your marriage. Even boyfriend and girlfriend who will agree. What double agree? I take it 2 seconds or before. We are double agree. We're not married. We can love. We're so we're break away. In spiritual vanna they connect. Or matter of my setting go yo. Anybody not even go yo. Why you there? I don't want why we na. Because a spiritual wife they connect. We're not understanding. A spiritual wife they connect. You people will never understand each other. Very powerful message. If you believe, follow this message. So, and if you not like me, my message not going to sweet you. No. Not even pretend to stand and waste your time. What disliking me? And that's so it happened to me too. If I don't like you, if I see you for Facebook, I don't spend 2 seconds to watch you. I will hate everything about you. And the guy me no tell you tell ma just because I don't love you, I will hate the thing. I want to demon talk more. He will hate it. I want to beg it. He will hate it because he might like you. He might love you. I want to see the highest go DJ be. He will ma. He will about Jonah. So those are the things no sunu diamond in boom at the nena. Because she don't like me. Him or she, they don't like me. No. We are if she don't like me. If she like me, she not gonna tell you so we are she could even they happy, you could give her joy. Because somebody where you like, if that person they smile, you still go they smile. Somebody where you love, if that person they celebrate, you two go still they celebrate. You can never wish your best to cry. Someone you love, you can't even bear her for 1 week if you not see that person. It may be your honorary friend, it may be your husband, it may be your boyfriend. Because una two spirits, they chop. Every minute, it matter go the entire your mind because una they connected. So, understand this message. It will help you a lot. Okay? If you don't like me, I beg you in the name of God, don't even come to Saltandwater ministry. If not so, now every time you go to carry a dick because of my matter, because you don't like me. So, as you don't like me, you need to throw away your face. Anything that I'm doing, don't let her be your problem. Don't let her concern you. So that you can get yourself, you can enjoy this world without pain. Anybody where you not like, run away from that person. You don't need to monitor that person. You don't need to even care what that person they do, how it they live in life. Throw away your face. So that we can enjoy happy where that a lot of people man like come betu here. Woman like come better every day who je Facebook or ya check woman like come every time we live video okay. Woman like come better I'm edokpayi no term okay. The meaning of that thing is jealousy. Woman like come na term okay too jealousy. Woman like come una come like me no too jealousy. Yes. Too jealous eh. E mata watamu wana. Ya to tanu wo a message na. Me malak we ya gwa lo be kenuje. Where me ma no e ba normal lea. E mi normal like ori e ki o wa mudia. Ke to fia wa. Ya gwa bega we me malak no wa kiakpa. The same thing with human being who ma be like. Kiakpa nye ke no jere. Uga gwa re marriage u magila ke ikpa. Uga gwa re sinwi no malake ikpa. If not so, there is no joy in your life. You will begin to feel sad. Begin to, that is, also I don't know even mental problem. Oh, what do I your mind? Oh, na what do your mind? Oh, piano be a go be marriage okay. Oh, piano your mind. Oh, me go, your mind. A piece of ego. Una nego na me peace. Ologo ake bege be gbo umenwan era. So ni maya ka de peace jive life ma. Emi no ke gari for me o. Umego me peace on your life. Umomo me peace on your life. Ume mansion me peace on your life. Some people need to go yana to have peace with many people not a webo. Afu fame or gear or discriminate peace. You know what I mean? Discriminate. Ufeme gear na. Rushy life. I want to make it under 1 year. Or administrate way. I don't got administrate way ne. Udo aje bo man we talo here with streets. Yes. Ufeme gear na. Other woman ya lacking na ma ho. Believe it or not. So aqua my live video. There is no live video today. I need rest. I just want to drop this a little bit message while they enjoy it. So God bless everybody. God bless you. If you don't like me, please don't come here to watch me. Anything needed. I want to watch a video. Don't go. You worry off. The offer. Umana la koma is not compulsory must to mweswa. Uga mweswa worry abe. Temato salobwa. Uga attack baby no worry abe. Because I'm a any position. I'm a register with any position where or a position on my attack koma. No. We are living in a country of a law. If anybody does wrong thing, there is police station, there is a court. We can go. Attacking me without nobody saying you where or wrong. The alpha baby ni ni kumye kenato. Nuga do here. Anything no matter the woman la komani. The alpha nuga do here. Ege ga bunk baby life na. Aje ba no waste time. Debi nu go enjoy. Ukiyo bi akiyo ko. Ukiyo ye dogbo nuje. Debi nu go enjoy. So we're gonna make a video now. Anything no matter of a life you were, for. Now you say you not like that girl, but every day, brother, we feel with Facebook okay. Oh, no man lucky. Uga jo woman mama ya rovio or ya commonize or ya gossip eh. Emi no kwa almost to dig boy because war wrong. O manuguma like umwemo yo to wa gossip eh. O manuguma like wa give me no joy. O manuguma like wa atawegbe no muge ma. Are you the right judge? No saloba gele la diagbon. Or you are the right judge, the governor gele la dia. Or you are the right judge, the police mweke siwa ivagi. If you are not, you are the problem of yourself. anything no man really tamawe oju we nwame o oju we owo no da we we no pa o. You are the cause of your problem. If France where anybody no more igbina boma diowa o mani me rati no ya mere nyamani cuz uma get at here the same thing with you. Emi no man like awata wata when woman wasted time. Wa vati je we no like come on no ukmono a imoto mani there we are enjoy oh give you happiness. I saw time no we am me gbona mana wa atem who wa smile because you people have the same spirit. Veni meje e ma soro no wa vie be bi me. Veni wa la dan live video no go we also wa vie. Oh, me so ni me de kun be edokpayi mi ya beg me rule ya de. Yen se keni je ya na vie. Eri ya dede me okpe boss we gadi no. Eri ya dede me eri ya so alele me mwe picture. Okpa wana wa vie. Ina wa vie bana awe mo mi jore ma be expect ki ya de kun we. Mo mi jore neru me. Ona wa vie. Oh, mo mi jore ko wa ni eri me e ko wa ni eri. You see Even make you understand the message now, why you go understand it. But if you not like me, can you embrace me? Can you run to meet me? Or can you cry for me? Or can you rejoice? Or can you snap picture? Or can you snap picture with me? The answer is no. You get the I think una get the message now. Eto afia when we beg when ufia but umana me face to face. Usu ani nyeme wo wa weba. Usu an robi ogni ame wo wa weba. Usu an commonize me ya ni u. But you got me face to face. Ufia wa. Ma ba mo write a message na. Do my me nu. Venu me face to face. No go regbe so an commonize me na. O go egbe bu mi ante. O go la rejo re wa jo nai. Okpeni ke kama wewe wa emi nu joge ma. Gebe nu jie. What it the only thing I talk, I beg, I don't want to see this person. I beg, I hate her. I don't want to see her. But if I'm not there with you, can you do like this? No. Cause
I never want to play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully